Sure, my name is Doug Balog. I'm the General Manager of IBM Power Systems, responsible for all things power at the IBM company. Yeah, so we started the whole transformation of power here a little over almost 2 years ago. And the whole focus was around data, cloud, and open, and we began to bring Power system and solutions in the marketplace a year ago. Just recently, in the last few weeks, we announced some really major ongoing enhancements to the Power platform. We announced 3 new systems. We announced the 880 scaling up to 4 CECs, 16 sockets, 192 cores, and a whole bunch of threads. It's a major workhorse of a system that will run some of the largest firms in the world. We also announced the E850, which is a really nice mid-range 4-socket, 4U high database server, or for many mid-sized clients, it'll be enough horsepower to virtualize and run the entire company. And finally, we announced the new Pure Power platform. This is our next generation converged system offering with networking, with compute, with IBM storage, all pre-assembled, pre-built, and wrapped for operational management with OpenStack technology. So those are new systems. We announced new solutions in the last couple weeks as well too. And I'm really excited with SAP to announce HANA on Power, initially with business warehousing, but in the near future, later this year, with the application suite starting to come. So for Power, it's about, again, connecting back to what we've done around data, completing the portfolio transition to Power across the board, and new solutions such as HANA or IBM DB2 Blue, which is delivered ideal scaling. The more capacity we add, equal amount of performance is delivered with DB2 Blue. Yeah, I think what people are excited about Power is what they're seeing as this wonderful asset that the IBM company has had for over 20-some years, has done incredibly well in the overall Unix market, but now is seeing us transform Power to be relevant in the market we see today. A market that's very much focused around not only systems of record, but also those new applications of insight, systems of insight, which are all analytics driven. And Power systems are the best platform designed for analytics. Equally, they're excited about the role Power offers in the cloud for better economics and also choice. And they're excited about the fact we've opened up Power with the Open Power Foundation and all we've done around Linux on Power, open source, OpenStack, and the Open Power Foundation, which is driving incredible innovation. So the excitement is coming from this momentum people feel around this ongoing transformation of the Power platform. Yeah, so I think from an IBM Power, where will we see it? Analytics. As I think about it, Power has been a great platform and still will be a great platform for relational databases. But we all know from an analytics perspective, relational databases are transitioning to pull more data into memory. Why? So that analytics run faster. So we've worked for the last year and a half with DB2, with Blue acceleration, optimized in the Power platform, and we've seen clients get 80 times, 100 times performance benefit of their analytics running Cognos with DB2 Blue, getting that kind of insights from the data that they never could see before. We've equally delivered the other in-memory databases from Oracle and recently HANA on the platform too. And unstructured data. No SQL, the whole world of unstructured data, which is growing even faster, equally can be served by the design point of Power. More cores, more threads, more bandwidth, more than an Intel platform. So Power is really well designed for data analytics, and I think we can prove that every day of the week. Power in the cloud is kind of where, the public cloud and on premises, and bringing those worlds together in hybrid is equally exciting. This quarter, IBM SoftLayer will start deploying Power for bare metal capability. This is the first time we've seen IBM offer in its public cloud Linux on Power for bare metal usage. Now Power is already in SoftLayer running Watson. So Watson runs on Power, has since the day it ran Jeopardy or participated in Jeopardy. So that's equally going on, exciting in the cloud space, but it's not just the IBM cloud, it's other public cloud companies. OVH has had a virtualized offering with Linux on Power, from their own words offering Power, greater virtual machine density of 1/3 the price of Amazon. We've seen Rackspace and other cloud companies committing to move to an alternative architecture, a better architecture for certain types of workloads like the Power platform. So and then openness. We continue to see more and more members joining the Open Power Foundation, up to 127 now as we stand here today. I'll probably be wrong 24 hours from now, but that's the kind of growth we see and interest around the Open Power Foundation. So that's kind of what's gone on and where we see a little bit of where we're going.
Thank you.